Ouch, 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 ouch. If training your core from the floor hurts too much, stand up and modify it. We're using our kitchen counter today. Straight arm planks. We're contracting those abdominal muscles nice and tightly, but we're still able to breathe. Inhaling through our nose, exhaling through our mouth. Hold for 30 seconds. Remember, the further your feet are, the more challenging. Plank climbers, still in this plank position, we're gonna lift our knee one at a time, forcing our stabilizer muscles to keep us balanced. Remember to contract those muscles and don't forget to breathe. We're going for 30 seconds. Bird dog, lifting one arm in the air, we're gonna lift our knee to join our elbow. You don't have to touch it, but make sure that you contract those abdominal muscles. It's gonna require a lot of balance. It's gonna require your stabilizer muscles to engage, but practice makes progress. We're gonna do 10 on each side, then switch arms and legs. And finally, as a bonus, to train your upper body and arms, we're doing some push-ups. This will train your core as well. Keep those abdominal muscles contracted to keep that spine nice and protected. Repeat these exercises for 2 to 3 rounds total. You totally got this.